Now we are going to discuss about a subclass, or we'll say inheritance. Okay, inheritance is nothing but there will be a parent class and child class. Okay, how it will be? For the same, it is class only. For example, what I need to do, I need to check, like, um, I may set that error as a one particular value. Okay, and if any error is more than that, for example, I say, um, like, root mean square error if it is more than zero point 0.5. Okay, if it is like that, like, or more than 1, I need to give some like a hint that this is not suitable, like this I need to do. Okay, so what I will do, I will call that like result. I just say one subclass I'm creating result. In this result, the main class will be which one? The main class will be the accuracy. The accuracy will be the main class. Okay, accuracy will be the main class. Means here I'm select creating one subclass by using a main parent class called as a accuracy. So here result will be the child class, accuracy will be the main class. In that, I will say define underscore init double score underscore. Then just say self comma. I actually actual I will give comma. Then predicted I will give. Okay, sorry, actual predicted, and I just want to give some one more this one parameter, like benchmark. Just I say bm benchmark. Okay, in that these two are already there in my accuracy. Okay, it's already we have been defined in the accuracy, predicted and actual. It's already there, no need to do all these steps again. Okay, what I will do for that, I say super dot underscore double underscore in it double underscore. I just say that in super dot double underscore in it, actual and predicted is a part of my, I just say part of my accuracy. Okay, whichever is the part of your accuracy, na, we have to define in a super. It will be overlap, like it will not be going to say that again we need to do. So we no need to define again, because it's already defined in a accuracy. So I said that by taking one decorator called as a super. Then I say self dot that bm will be the bm benchmark. Right? There is a new parameter I'm giving in a this new class. Okay, this is a one thing I have done. Then I will define in that one more thing, like I just want to compare and I would like to get the result. So I say um, compare uh, comparer, like this. Simply I'm giving some name. Okay, cell. Okay, cell. Now in comparer, what we do first, we will execute. For example, I just want to compare given value with the root mean square error, right? So I say how to execute a root mean square error. Self dot root mean square error. We will execute that, and root mean square error has a um, output called as a self dot rmsc. Root mean square error. We have a output, right? So I say if self dot root mean square error value is more than the benchmark what you have been given, self dot benchmark, in case if it is more than that, if that is true, then I would like to print. Okay, uh, model is not fit for use. Okay, I just want to say like that. Else else in case if it is less than that, then I can say print this model this model is fit for prediction. I just say executed. Now I will give some actual value. Okay, I say A itself. No need to give actual also. A, that is a model one. What actual values we have? 23 comma 26 comma 76 comma 45 comma same length. Another model we need to give, that is a predicted P. I say 24 comma 23 comma 70 comma 45 24 comma 25. Sorry, we'll give 62. Okay, and 91. Okay, like this I have given a actual and predicted I given. Now I will create one model. Okay, model underscore um, result is equal to, we call this one now result, we will call. Okay, the subclass we will call result. In result, what are the things we need to give? We need to give actual, predicted and benchmark. So actual is nothing but A comma predicted is nothing but P array. Then we have a benchmark. I will give, for example, it should not be more than 1.5. The root mean square should not be more than 1.5. Now if I execute, if I say model dot comparator model underscore result, right? I give a name dot comparer. I will call this one to check it's working. It says the model is not fit for use. It may be because of like we can check model underscore result dot root mean square error. Float of object is not callable. Like mean square error will check. Okay, 86 it comes. Root mean square error. We are not able to get again that name problem we have here again. Okay, what I can do here, instead of saying this, just um, root mean square. Here I will say yes. Okay, and I will execute that. In subclass also I will say yes. Okay, that should not be a name, same name, then it create a problem. No, I can check. No, float object is not callable. Model, yeah, just we need to take root mean square error like this. Okay, or we can say like this. 9.27 we have, we compared with the 1.5, that says model is not fit for use because our error is more than the required. If I say 9, you will get, like, we'll execute that first. Yeah, uh, root mean square error 9.7. Okay, that is also more. So if I have a 10, we may be saying that this model is fit for a prediction. Okay, based on the given value, it will compare and it will give. Okay, one thing you need to remember, you are both like a self dot what you are executing, the name of the um, function and the output name should not be same. Okay, there should be different name you need to use in a thing, otherwise it will try to get confused and it will give the error. That's the reason I shown all the errors also. How can we handle those errors? Okay, just go through this is called as the inheritance. Okay, this method is called as the inheritance, means we taken like we are not writing again, like to calculate a root mean square error. We just use that accuracy model which we already created here, that is will be the parent class, and this will become a result, become a subclass. Within that again we can write another 4 5, like not only for the benchmark for this one, we can have it for the benchmark for each value, and each value you can define, and each value you can create these things. Okay, we can compare and we can write. Okay, so this is about class and subclass, about a oops concept. In a coming session, the last part of your python basics we are going to cover up, that is nothing but what we say, try catch. Okay, try except block.